You've probably heard the pop during a chiropractic adjustment. But what's actually happening when this happens? Your spine is made up of small, moving joints called facet joints. When I, as a chiropractor, deliver a precise chiropractic adjustment, these joints briefly separate by a tiny amount. In biomechanics, we call that joint gapping. MRI studies from the National University of Health Sciences have actually captured this in real time, showing that a spinal manipulation produces measurable facet joint separation. And the sound? Well, that's called a cavitation, a harmless gas bubble forming and releasing in the joint fluid as pressure rapidly changes. And why does this matter? Because joints, disc and spinal tissues rely on movement to stay healthy. They don't have a big blood supply like muscles do. Instead, movement helps circulate nutrients through the joint and the disc. Research published by the Journal of Physiological and Therapeutics shows spinal manipulation can increase joint motion and improve spinal mechanics. So the goal isn't the sound, the goal is restoring normal movement to joints that have stopped moving well. Small adjustment, better motion, healthier, longer lasting joints and discs.